They knew I was going to spend $30 for a palette that they repackaged and for some cute little cheetah print brushes because I'm in quarantine and I'm thinking about the past. And guess what? It worked. You guys got me. I totally did that.
That's the intro.
Hey guys, I'm doing something different today. I'm just going to go ahead and play the footage at a normal speed and clip everything together, and I'm not going to talk over it. So I hope you guys enjoy it.
the final eyeshadow look with my Morphe 35B palette. Now, this is my first ever rainbow eye look. I'm trying to be spicy. I'm trying to mix it up. There are so many mixed reviews online about this palette. I was like, oh my God, do I return it? Do I try it out? Do I make a look with it at all? I hope you guys enjoyed this look today. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. I'm actually kind of feeling it. Like looking at it from my other monitor, it is low-key hard to look away from. I do be looking snatched. I'm really glad that I got this one. I think that this is so cute. I really like the alien one too. The unicorn, I feel like that one's just a little too 2020. I'm gonna be the one to say it. Morphe, you don't pay me to lie about y'all, okay? So I'm gonna say what I need to say. Now, these synthetic brushes. I feel like this is the perfect type of brush for picking up the formula when it comes to those types of eyeshadows in that palette. This type of contour brush, my problem is that it like completely flattens. I don't know if you guys saw that. Whether that's normal or not is up to you. I still got me a good little blend though, so it works. I just don't think they're worth $30. Y'all played us with this $30 price. You knew we would come for it because it was Lisa Frank and you got us. It worked. The other brush that I used was this highlight brush. Honestly, if you already have this brush from Morphe, this is the M501, you're pretty much looking at the same exact thing, just with the cheetah pattern. So maybe, you know, if you don't want to wash your other highlight brush, you got this little cheetah one on hand. Now I do. I'm not mad about it. I'm so glad I got to try this look out today on camera. I'm happy to review this. I know 100 other people beat me to it. Make sure to check me out on my other socials where I am Fleeksy on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Twitch. Bye, guys.